Okay, we again have 15 minutes for solving this problem. Problem is to find index of target or inserted array, of course, or maybe found if I have this index to return where this value must be. For example, in this case, we have 2 in this array, but we need to put it, looks like here, index 2. And I'm going to use for this my previous, first of all, a recursion with half search, as I call it, and then in the place where we return -1, return something else. Let's try to find. Okay, we have like inner function. It will be half search, and I'm going to insert this nums. It will be different nums. First of all, it will be our whole array, but because of recursion, we will be if we don't found in this array in the middle of this our element, we're going to found this one in other this part or in this part, depends of our target is smaller or better or bigger than our what we found in the middle. Here now we need nums, and also we need like additional for index. It will be called 0 and okay, our half it will be equal half of our length of our array nums. Yeah, and also if we found this element, for example, if nums with index half halves equal of our target. In this case, we're going to return this index, but not only this index, but with added, because in next iteration we're going to call the same calls, but with half of this array. And so because we need this additional index, what equal 0 in the beginning, in the first iteration. We're going to return our half plus added. Yeah, other case. For example, if our half less than 2 and nums half, I make like this, but not equal. In this case, I temporarily say that we return -1, but I will be back to this situation when I write other part. If our nums of our half, I will be using it several times. Okay, I make like this. If our nums in the middle of our array less than our target, we can say that we say first of all that our edge plus equal our half. What is half? Yeah, half is equal half, and And after this, we're going to make our recursion return half search, but we going to make it with a new part of array, not nums, but nums from if it's list from our half to the end. And we also need to make our new added index for this. And we're going to make similar moment, but if we have opposite situation when our nums or our element in the middle are more than target, we still say that we're going to add we not added we not add looks like we don't add. Okay, look at this. So we say in this we don't need add this in this situation because we, and also what we do, we make it from the beginning to our half, and we I now don't know about this. Yeah, we need to stay our add and added it only in this case. Yeah. Okay. And I'll make this, and in this case we going to return it's okay. I'm a little bit afraid about this situation. It looks like maybe here we have a problem with this distance. Yeah, it's a problem. Okay. Going to do this, going to do this, and maybe it will be okay to no, this must be like this, must be like this, and in this case we start our we start our recursion by this way. We say that we have our search, make it by this way, and we have our search, and we're going to say in this case targets. Target we have in this. Okay, only add, and this okay, by default equal 0 in the first. It's okay, and we're going to run, and I suppose it will be okay for this case, for this example, but it will be wrong for this. Okay, I suppose let's look at this. Okay, invalid syntax, even so. You're going to invalid syntax. Okay. In the sorry. Okay, it's okay, but if we say in submit, it says sorry, you're not right, you're not correct. Yeah, we suppose index 2, but we unaccepted input. What are you doing? Half search, half search, half search, where is not defined. return half search editor. Okay, I can to make it by this way. If you need editor, using debug solution, half search is not defined. Half editor, half search, return nums, half editor. What is wrong? Half search, return editor. Oh, we haven't any editor. I don't know. In this case, it looks like you don't want to use this one. Editor. What's wrong with you? Half search, same case. Okay. Return half search. Sorry. I'm not. It's so bad. Okay, accept, submit. It will be a wrong answer, runtime error, wrong answer. It's what I supposed. Our output is -1 in this case because we don't found this one, but we're supposed to found 1. Yeah, in this case, for example, look at this. We have in first moment, for example, we found middle, it will be 2, 2, 5. It's because it's our target is 2, and it's because we're going to found this in this case, and we say that 1 and 3, and that because in this case we can to say that we can to say like 1 and 3, we found this as like 2, not found this, and it's less than 2 index. It's 1 will be index 1, but if in this case we say that it's not founded, that means in this case I think it really depends. I think it must be like I'm going to found here. But if it's will be if our target 4, for example, in this case, okay, we're going to found let's think this. I think it's must be like not minus but I think so, but it's okay in this case, but not sure if we found. Okay, let's try to find this wrong answer. Yeah, as we see in this situation, in this situation, if our situation, for example, it's equal for example, yeah, I think in this case we must think, for example, we have we found we have this like last index, and in this case we're going to ask that our norms in this case, if we have less than 2 index, if it's if this case less than our target, in this case, we really return this one. Yeah. Else I'm going to, oops, sorry. If in other case, I'm going to return data plus one. Data plus one. Yeah, my habit to think in this case. Run code, okay, it's work. But it's not, in this case, it's output, but we're supposed to found, okay, I think in this situation, for example, in this situation, we say that we're going to found two. Or we look at this situation, no, it's lessons because we're looking at this situation. In this situation, we see that our minus is less than our target, and that because we're going to return half and end and plus one, fuck. In Elsa situation, I'm going to imagine this, sorry. Why wrong answer? Minus? No, I can't return this minus. If our less, we're going to return plus one. Our half and half, it's no, we're going to return half if it's less. Why? It's less, and that because, but it's equal one minus. Nah. I can understand how it works. Okay.